You can see the cable car going there. That is a purple cable car. Today is November 8th. It is a skulls day today. Skull. People take the skull of their family members to the cemetery. It's already 4 o'clock. It's going to close. This is just 2 minutes walking distance from my place. This is Abhinandan. So 2 minutes walking distance. This is like what we call a flea market. Other days this road will be, fully empty. Cars will go, but today it is like this. It's just 2 minutes walk from my place. So I'm here for another tomorrow one day, and then I'm leaving to Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, which is another big city where there is a crypto expo. For memories, I'm just recording it. And also, see the cable. I can still go. It's already 4 o'clock. It rained in the morning heavily, so the weather is very cool. This is a old traditional market. Okay, yesterday I went to a very nice place called La Paz. Letters are there. Letters, like Hollywood. So I went over there. Today I never wanted to go anywhere. So I thought in the evening, it's 4 o'clock already. So here this has very good polyphenols, like blueberries. I sometimes purchase from that lady. So everyone tells don't keep my phone like this, but it tempts me to record. I like this. In America, in Miami and all, you can't get a market like this. Though it is not very cheap, because Bolivia is suffering from inflation. They are 25% in inflation. Today their president is being sworn, Rodriguez Paz. Okay, somewhere there was an event. And this is nothing, this market. On Sundays and on Thursdays at El Alto, which is at 4,100 meters above sea level. Okay, this is 3,600 meters. There is a 12-kilometer long. I myself only walked this Thursday for nearly 4-5 kilometers. Okay, more than 5 kilometers I walked. But it is a 12-kilometer long market, like a flea market. So I'm going to walk all the way. I sometimes take like this cut vegetables, so I can steam it. Okay, like this it would be cut and kept. So this is how life is in La Paz. This is real life. Okay. And what astonishes me, what surprises me is there are a lot of markets, thousands of shopkeepers, and no business. See, anywhere there's no business. Can you see? Okay, because there are thousands of shops like this, every area. They have noticed it. I have noticed. If I go to some of the market, you will see at least, in that market there will be 400, 500 shops. Not one customer. You know why? It is because there are so many shops. There are so many shops over there. So this is not the market. There are other permanent markets. Thousands of clothes shops and not one customers. And like this, lot of things there will be. See, are you seeing any customers in front of any shops? No. Of course, some people have one or two customers like this. You know the reason why? Because everyone is doing the same thing. And every locality you walk, see, I can walk like this for another 2 kilometers. Another 2 kilometers. See, you'll see all kind of things sold like this. What is this, huh? What is that? Okay. I don't know what is this greens, huh? But see, now I can go on like this. Abhinandan here. I can go on like this for another 2 kilometers. I'm not exaggerating. You will never see. Of course, they will get some business. I like this kind of big mug. Do your best and let God do the rest. That is what Abhinandan does. Okay, very nice mug. But everything is expensive compared to India market, compared to Malaysia, Bangkok, Philippines. Okay, you know why? Because of inflation. Okay. The government is not protecting. What is this? Salt? Salt. This is a very famous salt. Salt. This is Saladi uni salt? No. Okay. How much? Kitna? How much? Quanta?
30.
How much? 3? 30. So, not 3. 3 uno?
30.
Or 30. 30. 30. See, this is 30 Bolivian currency. There's no value for it. You know why? 30 is 10 is 130 rupees. 10 is 130. 390 rupees is that kg salt.
A 20, protector facial a 20.
See, I'm recording everything. If you, I enjoy like this walking. There's a huge market. It goes on for 2 kilometers. And like this, there are many places. Okay. At the end, I'll buy something, some fruits. But now, I did not bring my bag. And maca? Maybe maca or what? See there. So this is what, when there is no other growth, when there is no other opportunities, and all these old people, all these traditional people, everyone keeps some shops. And what happens? They get the product from China. See that lady selling only so much carrot. So I study everything about life. It's not just being only in India. So this will go, I'm telling you, another 3 kilometers this will go. I'm not exaggerating. Okay. Quinoa, which is grown here. Day before yesterday I met a lady who works for an export company of quinoa. So what they do is, quinoa which is grown here and in Peru is very expensive. You know why? Because they take all the product and export it off to Europe and USA. And there is no, like India, we don't have a ration system where these people has to get at a low price. These people pay heavy price. Quinoa will come to same. Like I'll tell you, about 500-600 rupees. It will be about 600 rupees per kg. Quinoa. Okay, so I can go on like this for another 2 kilometer walking. Now my breath, because I'm elevating right now, I'm going up. I'm finding the breathing difficult because oxygen is very less. For these people it is used to it. For Abhinandan it will be very difficult, but I've got little used to it. But I'm going up, it will go all the way up. I'll go up to the cemetery. Okay, and I can't enter the cemetery, though there is a, what is that, some program today. They bring the skulls of their family members. Everything is expensive here, but I find what is essential and what is required for me. And bananas are cheap. Avocado is expensive. Okay, they don't grow avocado and they put color to that. It's a fake color. Okay, it's not real, because the real one at the end will be white, the rind. Here they put an injection color. Okay, then I'll stop right now. Again it starts after some time. A little more further is a frutas market, wholesale market. Now you see only this bananas, because it has become a little ripe. This one, this banana, for 25 it is 5 Bolivian. This is also 25, 5. 5 means 65 rupees. 13 into 5. 13 into 5 is how much? 65 rupees you get 25 bananas. This is not so ripe, it is 6. 6 into 13. 60 plus 78 rupees for 25. So this is reasonable. I went top yesterday over there. I walked and came. So I've been in recording for memories. So what is that? What is this? Mica. I don't know what it is. Okay. So I'll stop recording right now, and it's a nice weather. It's not very cold. Yesterday I went to the top, so today I thought not go. Tomorrow one day somehow I have to get up. This is one of my favorite fruit. It gives a red green color. Blackberries. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. Okay. While coming back I'll take it. How much is this? Conta?
10 Boliviano.
10.
10.
So this one, blackberries, that 10 is about 130 rupees. Okay. This is a place where I purchase the fruits. And I only buy blackberries, blueberries, banana. Though blueberries are very expensive here, because it is grown in Peru, not here probably. Some place it is grown here. So this is one of main market. Let me dump this to the YouTube. So see a lot of bananas here. So while going back, I'll take the bananas. Lot of bananas. And papaya also. That side, early morning at 3 o'clock. Early morning at 3 o'clock will be the wholesale market. But now it's a retail market. Conta?
25.
How much?
25.
English? 5, 15? Okay. I take for 15, huh? 15 Bolivian. It's about, how much? About 200 rupees. The blueberries, this is a wholesale market. Instead of going like this, I'll go like this. Not a wholesale. Night time, early morning it will be wholesale. I wanted to try these oranges, but I did not, because there's no facility for me to cut and make juice. So let me stop at the end of this particular road and then make a video later. Now it's only about 4:30 or something. I won't buy now. I'll go all the way. See, I'm having that breathing issue little. I'll go all the way and come back, and then I'll buy some fruits. I still have some banana, and maybe once again I'll take that blackberries. They'll be red in color, and there's a lot of health benefits with blackberries. They are not mulberry. We get in India mulberry fruit, but this is a different kind of. So Abhinandan likes to look like this, but my friends likes to go to pub, bar, discos. Okay, they spend 2,000, 3,000 rupees by taxi to go to a disco, and they don't talk to a girl over there. Now this one, I do not know what it is honey or what. Like in India, they have kept like this curtain kept. So here there's nothing, but I want to see when shop is open there. But these are cocoa leaves. Here they're selling cocoa leaves. That is where this is the. See. Can I take one? Okay. So they all cocaine leaves. This may have some milligram of cocaine. Micro milligram of cocaine, and they eat this. Okay, if you put 12 harmful chemicals like kerosene, petrol, some other all chemicals, you will get a cocaine powder released. See, they're all selling cocaine leaves. So I'm going to eat this cocaine leaf. It is very good for this breathing issue. Okay, I'll keep it inside. So at the end, I'm looking for one shop. That fellow is always closed. So let me see today whether he is opened. But next to that shop is a mobile shop, and there's a very beautiful lady. Beautiful girl. I cannot speak to her, but she's very beautiful. I'll show her. Wait. I think she's there. Is a SIM card? No SIM card? Okay. Anyhow. Now, hello. Hello, my friend. How much is this kg? Libra? Let me talk to him.